Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, remove the watch from the charger and unlock it so inputs register. Once visible, press and hold the side button, hold steadily, until the power menu appears on screen. You do this because the watch ignores power commands while charging or locked, making the display active ensures the menu shows. Keep your finger on the side button. Don't tap and release too fast. This is the only direct way to access the shutdown slider on Series 10. Now find the red power off slider near the top of the menu. It's clear and labeled. Drag that slider all the way to the right with a steady swipe. Do not tap, because the watch requires a full drag to confirm shutdown. Once you've dragged, the screen goes black and the device begins powering down. If the slider resists or the menu disappears, make sure you held the side button long enough and try again. Persistence matters since partial gestures won't complete the action. Finish by confirming the screen goes fully dark. That's your confirmation the watch is off. To turn it back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Release when you see it. If the watch fails to respond or won't show the power menu at all, perform a force restart. Press and hold both the side button and the digital crown for about 10 seconds until the logo appears. That troubleshooting step safely revives an unresponsive Series 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.